Hello guys, welcome back on my channel, Emily's Kitchen. Today I will use my new 12-inch grill pan of Saladmaster. We're gonna do the barbecue using this one. So first, I will preheat it. And this one is no lid, but the electric skillet lid, I can use this one. So wait, I'm gonna grill that. Here you go guys, you can just toast like that. See? Beautiful.
BBQ pork.
Thank you guys for watching my video today. Hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Bye now.